I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to check YouTube channel monetization in under 1 minute. So better keep watching to the end. Maybe you want to check if any channel is monetized, the owner is making money or no for some reasons. So to do that, all you have to do is Google for Google extensions. Click on the first link, then search for check monetization like so. Press enter. Click on the second option. Add to Chrome, add extension, waiting for the extension to download. After uninstalling the extension, go for your open the channel that you are want to check if it's monetized or no. Press on the three buzzer right here, press on the pin, then refresh your page and press for the extension right here. Check this channel, give it some time. And as you can see, it's saying this channel is monetized, channel, the channel tag, and you can see it's monetized. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing, leave a like. Thanks for watching.